welcome to this month's episode of Erica and her mom. And today we are going to be opening our October HaOLam box.
Sorry for the noise. Hello everybody. Yes, I'm excited. We're finally back together doing it, and I'm not doing multiple packages at once. We're doing multiple packages at once. But it's all different. So
now, when did you get your box, Mom?
I got my box at the end of last week.
Oh, okay. And
Yeah.
I just received mine, so I brought it over.
And so today we're going to open our boxes together. So thanks for coming after work. What a treat to see you in the middle of the week.
Thank you.
So I was busy today.
What'd you do?
I made one Uber trip. I delivered Uber to one person today.
Very nice.
And then my little Uber app wasn't working, so I couldn't Uber anymore. So I came home. Anyway, so, but this is much more exciting. We have,
I'm so excited.
we have so much going on in the land of Israel right now and in the world, and so this is a really great time to bless the land.
Also, before we start, make sure you have your knife to open your stuff, your spoon, just in case there's anything good to eat, and a napkin for your mom because she likes to get food all over her face when she eats.
Should we say an exciting thing or let that?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Ooh,
Got
we
it.
have some news.
Not yet. We'll do a whole
Which we're
video.
not going to talk about today.
But when we do,
It's going to blow your socks off.
it'll be fun.
And it has to do with Israel.
So we're super excited about that.
We're excited, and you can never guess what it is. So go ahead and try.
We'd like to know. Yeah, leave a comment.
Anybody have a guess what we're not even gonna say that we would do something or anything. We're not going to. But anyway, I just want to encourage you to get your own HaOLam subscription, because this is a wonderful time to bless the land of Israel. Okay, where are we? What have we got? You know what? I need a booster seat.
I do too. Maybe a dictionary to sit on.
Okay. Oh, may God bless you from Zion. How exciting. Oh my gosh. That's so beautiful. Laurel might want to put this up in her dorm room.
Maybe
Just
I'll
saying.
send that to her.
Just
Maybe
saying.
see her. Ooh, this is very
okay.
colorful. I'll
Let
show.
me not get ahead of you.
No, that's
here.
okay. Very colorful box this month.
It is beautiful.
Very exciting.
I love it. And the color?
Wait,
Perfect. Where should we start?
What's that?
Yeah, you call on me for the hard one.
I don't have that.
You don't have that?
I don't see it. Maybe it's
Maybe
down
it's
there.
under something. Maybe it's under something. It says, may the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord shine his countenance upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn his countenance towards you and give you his peace.
That's pretty.
You know what that is?
That is the verse that Jules is always.
True, but this is the
Sing to
Aaronic.
me.
This is the Aaronic blessing. This is
I
the
knew
Aaronic
that,
blessing.
but Jules is always.
Yeah, that Aaron
Telling me.
was to speak over the children.
I love it.
Sorry, over the children of Israel.
The
So
bookmark
that's
of
what.
blessings.
That's
a
it.
pretty
I'm
one to
gonna,
have.
I'm gonna hang on to that one.
All right.
Oh.
So
Go ahead.
I'm so excited because I love this box already.
Because this is the bracelet.
We can open this one.
Yes, let's do that one since we did this.
Okay.
Okay.
What? You want me to talk about it?
Yeah,
I'm
talk
just
about
showing
it.
it up. Okay, so
Okay.
it's a paper and it says the priestly blessing scrolls. How exciting! That's really neat. Engraved in the scrolls is an ancient blessing of Aaron. Miniature silver scroll uncovered in the archaeological dig in the city of David had waited 2,800 years until the discovery in 1979, before I was born.
Oh, that's so
That's
so
really-
exciting.
that's
Engraved on these scrolls is the ancient blessing of Aaron, the Kohen Gadol. head priest, utilized by him and all his progeny, the priests, to bless the people of Israel. The scrolls were created in the era of the prophet Isaiah, and they contain the blessing of the ancient divine blessing, heralding from the period of the first temple. These scrolls have been lying in wait to convey these messages to us, blessings of divine illumination, protection, and peace. Awesome. You wanna say the Aaronic blessing in Hebrew?
No.
Okay. I wouldn't expect you to.
I don't think I should. Yep. And here we have beautiful wine. I thought that's why you wanted to take that off at first, because you thought there was wine under it. Ooh,
Wow.
Rose 2021.
Is it rose or rosé?
I think it's rosé.
Rosé? 2021.
Thank you.
Yatir
Rosé.
Hills, Israel. I think that's the way you pronounce that.
Oh, you know what?
Dry rosé.
I love the wine from over there. I got one once. I think you brought me a bottle back. But this one is 50% Malbec and 50% Cabernet.
Wow.
Oh my
And
God.
they always seem a little stronger than our wines. I
Yeah,
don't know if they
'cause-
are, or
Well,
maybe it has to
it
do
has
with the amount you drink.
13%
I don't know.
alcohol.
And what do ours have normally?
I think like 7 or 8.
Oh.
Yeah, they're always.
Go
Yeah.
Israel.
Thank
Oh my
you.
Goodness.
That is a blessing.
Good job. Thank you. And from wine from the grapes of Israel.
Amazing.
Can't even. So, verses of God's blessing. So we get this little book, and we have these little blessings in it.
Oh, how beautiful.
In
Love
this
the
booklet,
design.
Verses of God's Blessings, we have collected all the biblical verses containing the Hebrew term, God has blessed you.
The blessing of a good heart.
Aw, how sweet.
That's what I've been working on lately.
You don't
It's amazing.
know. She has done so much this year.
I have been
She's
really.
been so nice to me.
I've been
No.
really trying to be a good steward.
Yes, you are.
Over things and
You're a great steward.
a blessing to people.
You're a mensch. Blessing cards.
You're a mint.
I want to be a mensch. It's a good thing. You're hilarious.
Is it?
Oh my.
Oh.
I don't think I'm gonna
Oh.
send these to anybody.
I'm not. I'm gonna
Aren't they beautiful?
frame these.
Those are so gorgeous. You know what?
Send-
Honestly, we should send these. You know what?
Oh my
If someone
God.
sends their address and would like to receive these, we would share.
Absolutely.
We would share. But anyway,
Look how beautiful.
only if
those
you're
are.
really nice to us.
Oh, and they have little lines in them.
Yes,
So
you
you
can write a
sit
little
down.
note. Maybe you
Oh.
could write a little blessing. Maybe one of the little blessings from our blessing book.
But
But anyway, how beautiful is that?
I like that because I do write a lot of
Nice.
letters to people, like thank you letters and I don't know, invitations and stuff. So that thank you for the blessing card. I guess you're supposed to write blessings,
I see.
but I like
I see. A little
something
box.
tiny.
Something in a little
God
box.
bless you and protect you. Why, thank you.
Marina. MarinaJewelry.com. No, Marina-jewelry.com. What did we get? Silica packet, yay.
Ew.
Oh, and then we have a little
What does this say?
a little circle.
God bless you and protect you. And it's on a necklace. Hold on.
Everything is in the.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, how beautiful is that?
Oh.
It's so pretty.
And it's so modern looking.
It is.
I don't know.
I love that. So if you're related to us and you're coming to our house for Hanukkah, don't watch this video. I'm just kidding, of course.
Yeah, I'm gonna put mine
course.
right now. My daughter took. Laurel liked my other necklace that I had.
So
that
she takes yours.
she took it. So thank you.
Now you have a new one. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yum yum. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's tea, right?
I love tea.
We send you this blessing to rest on your heart from the heart here at Love HaOLam. Let me pull that off.
Look how dainty that is.
That is so beautiful. Okay. Yes, that is gorgeous.
It's very
really
light.
It's so shiny.
I love it. Thank you.
I love it. It's beautiful. Whoever made that. And we'll find
Great
out
job.
who you
That was
are.
a good design. Good idea.
Breathe deeply. Thyme, eucalyptus with mullein. Mullein. I don't know what that is. Natural ingredients. Organic. But it does smell great. Oh, I should have this tonight and breathe deeply.
Oh, I love eucalyptus.
You're just like a little panda, right? Okay, eucalyptus is
Yeah,
what they
The koalas.
Koala. Both?
No, pandas eat bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah.
You're a cool. Well, that makes more sense.
So we both got this Dead Sea gourmet salt. Yours is a different color.
Mine's garlic and pepper.
Mine is.
Maybe you have to open it to find out. I was gonna say.
Oh, it's garlic and pepper too.
Oh.
Oh,
Why is it a different color? Interesting.
Maybe they just had two different color boxes.
Yeah, it's the same number, 424. Anyway.
We got this one time like a year ago.
Yes.
And it was wonderful, and I had used it up, and then I came over here and I stole hers.
But you're not getting this one because if you liked it that much, I'm going to hang on to it. Do you want some, Jules, on your burger tonight? You get a...
Yeah.
You'll try it. It's salt and pepper with garlic. Or is it just garlic and pepper? No, it's salt too. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's
okay, got it. Oh, yay. This can go in our purse.
Oh, they're bite size. They have pistachio. They have different kinds in here.
Yeah, vanilla, pistachio, and cocoa beans. So that's awesome. You want to come and say hi?
You want one?
Come say hi to our friends on YouTube.
YouTube, Love HaOLam.
Love
Hello,
HaOLam.
friends on YouTube for Love HaOLam.
This is my husband Jules,
Would you like
Hello.
and he's the lover of HaOLam. And here's some salt and pepper.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye. Hello.
that? Man, that's great.
Hello
Thank
and
you.
goodbye.
Especially when you have little kids. This is really good to.
I know. Well, we have a trip coming up, the two of us.
Yep.
We've never been on a trip together.
Yeah, we haven't. We'll see what happens.
Since ever.
Ever. Like,
Yeah.
we've never
We're going on a trip.
spent that much time
We're
together.
going to see sweet baby Laurel
Yep.
in Ohio at school, and so we're gonna take some stick snacks. Oh dear. Thank you, Love HaOLam, for this
Anti-aging series.
revitalizing antioxidant eye cream and nourishing moisturizing
Love
face skin. I'll trade you my salt for your anti-aging cream. Oh, how nice.
Ooh.
Ooh, that should travel well.
Face cream.
Oh,
I want to open
I
it.
love the eye cream. Yeah, I'd like to smell it.
Eye cream. Face cream. I'm going to smell it.
We did not need a spoon
I
today.
didn't.
Which one is that?
I got the face cream. I'm just going to.
Face.
How do you smell?
Oh, that's nice. Put that
I
on
just
your
wanna make-
face.
I just want to make a comment about the anti-aging cream. Look how much younger she looks than me using it.
That's all it took. Thanks, Love HaOLam. Wow, but you know what? It does help on the back of my hand because my hands are, everything is so dry. But yes, very nice.
Thank you. I can't wait.
Excellent. We just want to tell everyone how much we appreciate what Love HaOLam is doing in the land, bringing finances to people who are struggling, not struggling, but it's a labor of love to live in the land and to work the land and bring forth the product. So we're just so grateful to them.
I think it's amazing. And our little.
Oh, there it is. Now you can see an up close look.
Beautiful
Sort
necklace.
of up close. It's gorgeous.
Great. That's good. So, as recommend buying locally, and these are people that are local to Israel who I have never been disappointed with all the stuff we get. It's amazing.
Never. It's amazing. And how did you like those little square brownies last time that I ate half of before I gave to you?
I had half of one, I think, and then my family took them.
You only had half?
Yeah, well, Ezra and his chubby little fingers. I love them. It's so cute.
They were so good.
They
Chicken,
were.
bacon, wine. Uh-oh.
Got it right here.
Well,
That'll be good.
I might splash it a little with
And
the
then,
wine.
ooh, coffee cake.
Oh, Israeli coffee cake.
That's nice.
What do we have to put in that? In this thing? In this?
The modern Israel time.
I don't know.
I don't know,
what
but I
goes
want to
in
make
there.
that. That's really good.
That looks good. That looks too good. Oh, that looks very complicated.
Oh.
Is that a factory? Oh, tea. Tea packing machine. Ariel in the Adanim factory showing off the original tea packing machine that his father bought in 1991.
Wow, and it's still going. Great
Very
job.
nice.
He takes care of his stuff.
He does. And here's a little beekeeper with his little bees. Negahot. I think that's how you say that. Negahot honey. Reviving ancient traditions. Aw, they're
Gourmet salt.
beekeepers.
I love your gourmet salt. Thank you so much.
Oh,
It's
look at that
wonderful.
salad. Wow. Well, anyway, as always, thank you for watching Eric and her mom. And we hope that you subscribe and like, but really subscribe to Lev HaOLam. That's what matters. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And
Thank you.
shalom.
Shalom.